So today basically we'll be talking about different types of learner. Now, are you a teacher and you've been wondering some of the characteristics of your children, your students in your class? So today I will be letting you know different categories or different types rather. Different types of learners. So basically, at first we have the slow learners. Now, the slow learners are students that basically don't grasp things quickly. They lose concentration easily. Have you never been teaching a child and within seconds they've just lost the attention? They are basically looking at their colleague or looking at us well. These are some of the characteristics of slow learners. That is what they basically do. Another thing again is that they usually have poor handwriting, and in fact sometimes they are not so good at speaking, and also they lack the ability to communicate with others. Yes, they really do not know how to communicate and flow with other students in the class. Yes, also sometimes they can't even see the board very well. Sometimes some will tell you they have eye problems, while sometimes it may not be really eye problem. They don't just want to learn. They don't really have the motivation to learn as others would want to. And another type of learner we have is the gifted learners. Now, the gifted learners are the types of learners that grasp things easily. They have good communication skills. They basically, have good writing. They excel in all academic work, in all subjects. They are so good. Whatever subject you give to them, they're basically always good at it. They have good handwriting and they can write very, very fast. Yes, that is for the gifted learners. And among every other qualities or characteristics the good learner have again is that they can communicate with others very well. They have good communication skills among other students. Yes, they can actually relate very well and interact with other students very well. And another thing again about these gifted learners is that when you put them under pressure, they are good. They can work under pressure. They are good at working under pressure. Now another type of learners we have is the normal learners. Now the normal learners have average ability. They are not gifted learners. They are not slow learners. They are just normal learners. But sometimes these normal learners, they can show gifted qualities or signs sometimes, especially when faced with issues. Yes, they can tend to excel, and you will wonder and baffle about some of the qualities they can actually show when they are under issues or facing problems. Yes, now that's for the normal learners. Now today, as a teacher, I would want you to go back to the classroom and identify each of the learners and know which of them is a slow learner, which of them is a gifted learner, and which one is a normal learner. So that's about the discussion we have today. Please, if this is the first time watching, like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.